Hello, friends. How are you all? I know you are very happy and very healthy, and I wish this for you that you always remain happy, healthy, cheerful. And it is very essential for me that you give me opportunities so that I can evolve. But working hard is the most important thing for any person, so I am working very hard and I will keep on working hard. I will discuss with you the fourth reason of non performance of contract subsequently. I think that I have not told you very clearly what a subsequent non performance of contract is. Subsequent means after something. Subsequent non performance means when we have entered into a contract, we have made a contract, we have signed it, we have decided what we have to do according to the contract. But after we have made the contract, after we have finalized it, something happens due to which we are not able to implement the contract. We are not able to do the act, the specific act which is decided under the contract. So, what happens? This is called subsequent non performance of contract. That is, after the making of the contract, after the finalization of the contract, when something happens, some situation happens due to which the parties are not able to perform the contract, not able to do the act which they have decided according to the contract. This is called subsequent non performance of contract because of a reason. Why it is subsequent? Because the contract has been made, and now after being made it is not being able to be performed. So this is called subsequent non performance of contract, subsequent non implementation of contract. So fourth reason for non performance, for subsequent non performance, when A and B entered into a contract, they made the contract. After the making of the contract, one of the parties died or became incapable of doing the act which they decided according to the contract. Then what happened? Subsequently, after being made, the contract became incapable of performance. Why? Because of death or incapacity of party. So this is the fourth reason for subsequent non performance of contract. The death or incapacity of a party to contract is the fourth reason for subsequent non performance of contract. For example, we have watched the movie Sita Ramam. I will give you an example of death of a party which is a reason for subsequent non performance of contract. Suppose Sita Mahalakshmi and Ram, they enter into a contract for marriage, and after making the contract, someday Ram is captured by the enemy country and is hanged till death. So what happens? Ram is a party to the contract between Ram and Sita Mahalakshmi. The contract is made for performance of marriage. Marriage is an act. It is a task for which the contract is entered into. This is the task which has to be performed. The contract has been finalized, but out of the two parties, Sita and Ram, Ram has died. So because of death of the party, the contract is now incapable of performance. This is the example of death of party, a reason for subsequent non performance of contract. Another example where incapability of party is a reason for subsequent non performance of contract. Suppose I enter into a contract with you all and I sign it, and I say to you all that I will deliver a video on particular topic of law, for example constitution. I will make a video on constitution and I will deliver it to you, suppose on 10th of January at 10 am in the morning. Till 10 am my video will be finally uploaded for you all to watch. We have signed the contract, you have signed, I have signed. Okay, finalized, very nice. But what happens? I become critically ill. I become ill. I develop bad throat. My throat is paining. I have fever. I cannot speak. So I have become incapable of speaking. I have become incapable of making the video. So what will happen? When I have become incapable, I have become ill. I am the very relevant person. Sorry, not relevant, wrong word. I am the most important person who has to perform her role under the contract that we have entered into, and I am ill. Ill means incapable. I have become incapable of making the video. I have become incapable of performing the act which is decided by us in the contract. So what will happen? The contract will become incapable of performance, and it has become subsequently incapable of performance. Why subsequent? Because it has already been made by us, and its non-performance has occurred after it has come into existence. Its non-performance has taken place when it has been made. It has been made already, and subsequent to its making, it has become incapable of performance. So my incapability, one party's incapability, has rendered the contract incapable of performance. So now I will tell you the main case which I have studied in law. I will not take long. There were two people, Robinson and Davison. These were two parties to a contract. They entered into a contract with regard to some performance, some dance performance or singing performance at a concert. One of the parties out of Davison and Robinson, you just remember R&D, research and development. So R&D entered into a contract for performance at a concert. But when the contract was finalized, after that someday, when the party had to perform, when the performing party had to actually uh, perform the act at the concert, he fell ill. He or she fell ill. So, because of falling ill, the party became incapable of performing at the concert. So, the act was incapable of performance. Why? Because the party had fallen ill. Because the party had fallen ill, the contract could not be performed. So, the contract subsequently became incapable of performance. So, this was the discussion with you all. Please, all of you, stay happy and healthy. Not so that you can help me evolve, but stay happy and healthy, because initially there was corona, then there was dengue. Again, nowadays there is a name of corona, there is a mention of corona. So please keep healthy and happy. And if you like my video, please do share this video with all the friends. If you find my performance promising, help me develop, help me evolve. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.